Welcome to our easy-to-learn DIY hairstyle tutorial videos. Hi friends! Let's do a celebrity hairdo, the Faux Waterfall Headband. We have already made a partition on the desired side of the head and we take a section of hair from here. We now divide it into 3 equal parts and make a thin and loose normal braid. Then we take a strand of hair from the front and insert it into the first loop of the braid. Next, we take another strand from the front and insert it into the next loop of the braid. Keep repeating the same process till you cover the crown area. Now pin up the tail of the braid beneath the last strand like this. Take a small section of hair from behind the braid and tease it slightly. Repeat this till you get the desired volume. Pull slightly at the twists of the braid to give it a final look. Here you are! Bring out the celebrity in you with this Faux Waterfall Headband. We look forward to your suggestions in the comment section below. Keep watching, liking, sharing and subscribing to our videos. Also try out our app Hairstyle Changer, available on Google Play and App Store.